Woke up yesterday and everything seemed okay, until you called and brought me down. When every day you like the balls to fight back, they'll take advantage of what we have. 'Cause I know tomorrow will come again. I know it will come again. The rain keeps falling out every day. Sadness falls all around me, with sorrow encircles me. Why will tomorrow come again? Walking down the street, a crack payment under my feet. I circle the same block again, and smoke fills my lungs. In a year I'll be done, but it makes no difference to me. 'Cause I know tomorrow will come again. I know it will come again. The rain keeps falling out every day. Sadness falls all around me, when sorrow encircles me. Why will tomorrow come again? Woke up yesterday and everything seems okay, till you called and brought me down. When every day you lack the balls to fight back, we'll take advantage of what we have. 'Cause I know
This is my first time using the Pour 15 paint. The high temp stuff, I like the other stuff. This high temp stuff probably needs to be baked on or something, because it's a little sticky still after a day, and it rubs off easy with chemicals. You know, I was feeling a little disappointed about this whole project because it looked pretty good the way it was, all old and rusty. But my wonderful wife just totally redeemed the whole thing by sprucing that up and making it really look cool. And my uncle had these soft jaws in here, and I like them a lot, and they add a little zap to it. But at the end of the day, it's a tool. It's going to be beat on, welded on, ground on. So I'm pretty happy with how it worked out. I had just enough clearance in this table to through bolt it. This table was a gift from a friend. The bench vise was a gift from my uncle. This welder down here that swivels out on my sweet little welding thingy majigger, that was a gift from my friend, different friend. The caster wheels that are way down here, those were a gift from another uncle. So all in all, I'm doing pretty good with this whole welding setup. I'm pretty excited. This little swivel is an old TV mount swivel. I didn't want to waste it. Yeah, there we go.
Just think about that. Well, what Jesus did on the cross was basically good triumphing over evil, because he loved you.